What's up? My name is Aiduan and I'm in the middle of the field. Today we are visiting a very famous site of Moscow countryside. It's called Kalushsky Waterfalls. Now you would ask me, where are the waterfalls? Well, they're behind my back, there in the trees. Actually, they are called like Russian Niagara waterfalls, I think, within the Moscow countryside, but they literally are in the middle of nowhere. When I was driving here, I was hoping that there is something, but no, it's just a field, and from this side and that side also just a field. So you have to walk through the field, and it's very windy here, and very good thing that here you won't find a lot of grass, so it's easy walkable, because there's a lot of grass, and here are some power lines. There's like a couple of houses there. It's like a village, but that's it. So we're behind the bushes, and now we need to go behind those bushes as well. When I was looking for these sites, actually it was described as a beautiful route for cycling, and that's one of the stop for the cyclists, and I can see why, because like it's very hard to get here on your foot. So that's very funny that in order to get to the waterfall itself, you need to find these bushes and get downstairs like there, and it's a super steep hill. I would call it more like a slide than a step. And so there like one cyclist and like a tourist on the car, but that's all, because like it's just a field. Since you get through the field and step down a little bit, you will see the waterfall. Here it is. Yeah! It's the size of a standard human being. I think if I'm gonna stand there, I'm gonna be I will be till that thing, I think. So it's not so super big, and I hope like real Niagara is more astonishing than this. But anyway, it's a real waterfall! And as you can see, there is a little small spring that goes after the waterfall. So basically, if you want to see something interesting in Russia, you may take your chance and go to the field. Probably you'll find a waterfall. What? Of course, the waterfall itself, it's not very astonishing, but the first thing is the road. It's very funny because you're driving through a bumpy roads, and the second thing, you're in the middle of the field and you can see a lot of space. That's the true spirit of Russia as the biggest country in the world. A lot of space! Oh! Oh! That was Aiduan. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments below, and I will also link put the link in the description of this place, so if you want to run like me and see the waterfall. Okay, see ya. As you can see, the road is super bumpy. I'm sorry.